Who just left in that big truck?
Oh, that was the door-to-door roofing guys. They're gonna fix all that shingle damage we incurred in that last storm.
Are you sure they're not storm chasers?
Storm chasers? Like in Twister? I gotta go! We got calves!
No, as in the unscrupulous people who drive around after a storm to rip off unwitting homeowners, cheating them out of money by promising repairs that end up being substandard or non-existent, or running a scam on your homeowner's insurance provider.
The guy I talked to had an orange vest and a tool belt. He had a pencil behind his ear. Looked legit to me. Plus, he offered us a honey of a deal compared to that other estimate we got.
Did he show you his license and insurance?
No.
Did you Google his company?
No.
Did he tell you not to mention anything to your insurance agent?
Yes.
Who got storm chased?
No way. Look, I even let him get on the roof while I used the bathroom, and when I came back out, he'd found damage I hadn't even seen before. Oh, come on. I gave him $500 cash. Why would he take payment if he wasn't gonna do the...
Wait, where'd you get $500?
From your bottom dresser drawer, under your heavy sweaters. What? Well, where was I gonna get that kind of cash?